Sa mga ganito daw, rare daw itong mango seed. Prismatic daw to, ngayon mythical mo. Dahil sa kanya population, nawala na daw yung population. Wala na daw yung population, na doon na daw yung population. Small chance for fruit to turn this color. You need to drink me to go up fast and super strength. I do that to air every day. Don't eat too much, don't drink too much milk. You will get confused. It's like a tree.
Nag-chef si Janden. Picture kay Janden.
The best vacation maging. Uy! Nagulat ako. Bakit nagulog na ako? Seed shop has been restocked. The beer shop has been restocked.
Cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Uy, medium treat.
Ang ganda ng event that has a event. Buti tayo nagka-join ng event. Sila na naman yung si Kitchen naglalang ng plus bonus eh.
Kaya Tishun, buti pa nakasali.
Nakasali na nga yun sa kay Travis Kelce. I'll just wait until the disco. Tapos na nga eh. It's raining.
Uy, bag egg. Michael Wench.
Kaya bumibili ako ng baged. Gusto kong mag-get ng Dragon Fruit. Lemon Lion confused each one with 30 million stone. Sabi mo, 30 million. It was stung.
Big back, book back, bake.
Poseidon plant has been huge. Roblox is breaking.
May pupunta ba dito, me? May pupunta ba dito? Si ate, sinabi niya.
Elder Strawberry has been huge.
Carrot.
Oh, okay.
Not this again.
Lagay ito sa mga noobs. Nakasali sila. Lagay ito sa mga noobs.
Kaso wala silang pera.
Okay.
Arayga.
Gaganunin ko na lang. Diba? Easy.
Ako rin, sama ko rin. Yung daming carrot. Uy!
Party time.
Ang dami kong carrot. Ang dami yung carrot. Yung carrot. Yung carrot. Yung carrot. Ang dami yung carrot. Yung carrot. Yung carrot. Yung carrot. Ay, gusto.
Oh my God!
Oh no! Ayokong makagat. Doon pa rin yung ipis, oh. Siguro Uy, mythical egg!
Ginawa ko ito grabe kung ito bigay. Tapos itago ko yung kinuha. Yung sa mga ano, yung iwan. Okay na.